Hi guys, let me show you how to earn 50 million Shiba tokens on this free Shiba Limited website. So this is my current balance and energy level. You can see here my how much I earn from this website, and this is the conversion of one token. Yeah, you can see here one token is equal to one Shiba. When you hit 15 million Shiba token, then you can withdraw your amount in your Binance Smart Chain wallet or Trust wallet. Let me show you different way to earn 15 million Shiba token through this platform. By the way, My Shiba Inu Free Limited is the platform of PTC. PTC platform means pay to click. Okay, you can do simple PTC task and on this platform and earn Shiba token. So this how to earn your Shiba coin. See at your left side, and you can see here a referral section. Click on it. You can see here approximate 50% of commission you earn from your friend earning. Okay, so if your friend earn 1 lakh Shiba coin, you get 15,000 Shiba coin daily basis. Okay, it is a very big deal. Do one more thing guys, when you share your referral link to your friend, also share the link of my video with him, so that your friend will be easily to learn and can understand easily. He can understand easily what can he do from on this website. On this free Shiba Limited website, you have so much types and so much way to earn Shiba tokens on this website. So we step by step I will explain you step by step. Here you see so much types, achievement, dice, auto faucet, wheel of fortune, mining, short links, PTC, or etc etc. So first of all we see refer, and second we going to see achievements. Achievements is a very simple, so click on achievement. It take a shallow time. So yeah, yes. Next way to earning on this platform is achievement. View 100 PTC. As this platform you are eligible to receive 15,000 Shiba token and 1 energy, right? Okay, if you move on 5,000 PTC, then you get 5 million Shiba tokens and 5 energy. It's very big deal guys. It's too easy to earn 15 million Shiba tokens. Let's move on dice. Okay, let's move on dice. So guys, don't do anything here, please skip this. Don't do anything here. We directly go on auto faucet, because this is the gambling. I've lost my 37 lakh Shiba coins at here, so that's why I'm saying. So we are coming now at auto faucet. So here you can see auto faucet is so simple to use. It is very easy. So you have to open the page and time is ready to counting. So of the every 14 minutes you get 600 satoshi, means 600 Shiba coin. Let's move on next task, manual faucet. It's slightly different to auto faucet here. Here you have to click anti-bot links with this following order. So we do here, we solving and solving this captcha. We have to solve this captcha, and when we solve this captcha we get 1500 Shiba tokens. Click on I am not a robot, then collect your reward. So as you can see, we earn 1500 Shiba tokens. Then unlock this process. I'm skip this video. It's so simple. Unlock, solve this captcha and then verify. It automatically unlock. Let's move on next one. Here is the wheel of fortune. Here is all about luck. We have to solve this anti-bot links and this captcha in this sequence, and then click on I'm not human. I'm human. Then click this, solve this captcha. Website links in description. After watching this video, go on and start earning guys. Verify, then spin. It consume your 3 energy. Oh, only 500 Shiba tokens, not bad. So let's we move on next task. Next task is mining. So mining is a too simple page. You have to click on start and it automatically starting mining. After 15,000 Shiba tokens you are eligible to withdraw in your Shiba wallet. Take a moment, and go on short links. The short links is the easiest way to earn Shiba tokens. Here is the total links and total tokens. Here is the different short links you have to solve. Let me show you how to solve here. So simple. Open the click on any short link, click on the continue, then solve this captcha. You have to solve this captcha. First solve this captcha. So click on continue. So you can see here 7,500 satoshi we added it in your balance, so we get here 7,500 satoshi. It's too simple to solve. Let's we move on next task. It's PTC platform. So click on PTC. So here you can see some advertisement. Basically guys, PTC stand for pay to click. So as you can see here, this are the some different tasks here. This is the 7,600 tokens, time duration 6 seconds. So we click on the go. After 60 seconds we get 7,600 coins. So here you can see time is ready to counting. After 60 seconds means 1 minute. After 1 minute you get 7,600 coins. So let we see. So time is over, and click on please solve this captcha. Click on verify. So guys, you can see we get 7,600 token, and let's move on task. So guys, a link in description of this website. Go fast, start earning. So it's too simple to log in and earning. So guys, last one is task. Make a video on YouTube and earn huge amount of Shiba token. So I hope you like the video, share with your friends and start earning. Guys, stay tuned with me.